and welcome to Piping Official. In this video, we will learn about flange types. In previous lecture, we learned about basics of flanges. You can check in my description for that video. Flange types. Flanges have been designed and developed to be used in a myriad of applications. Each one has its own special characteristic and should be carefully selected to meet specific function requirements. The following flanges will be discussed in this chapter. Number 1. Weld neck flange. Number 2. Slip-on flange. Number 3. Threaded flange. Number 4. Socket weld flange. Number 5. Lap joint flange. Number 6. Reducing flange. Number 7. Blind flange. And number 8. Orifice flange. Weld neck flange. A weld neck flange is the best designed butt weld flange available because of its inherent structure value and ease to assembly. It is designed to reduce high stress concentration at the base of the flange by transferring stress of the adjoining pipe. Slip-on flange. The slip-on flange has a low hub that allows the pipe to be inserted into the flange prior to welding. It is shorter than a weld neck flange. The slip-on flange is used in areas where short tie-ins are necessary or space limitation necessitate it is used. This flange is slipped over the pipe and then fillet welded. Slip-on flanges are easy to use in fabricated application. Threaded flange. The threaded flange is similar to the slip-on flange, but the board is threaded. It can be assembled without welding. It is used to connect other threaded components in low pressure. Non-critical application, no welding is required. Socket welded flange. The socket weld flange is also similar to the slip-on flange. It was originally developed for use on small diameter like from ½ inch to 4 inch high pressure piping system. Like socket weld fitting, pipe is inserted into the socket then weld. An internal weld is often employed for added strength. Lap joint flange. The lap joint flange is primarily used on carbon or low alloy steel piping system. Attachment of lap joint flange to the piping system requires a lap joint stub end. The lap joint flange and stub end assembly are used mainly in piping system that necessitate frequent dismantling for inspection or routine maintenance. It is also used in the erection of larger diameter or hard to adjust piping configuration because of its quick bolt hole alignment. Reducing flange. The reducing flange is used to make reduction in the diameter of the pipe. A reducing flange is most frequently used in installation with limited space. Crowded situation may necessitate the use of the reducing flange because it has a shorter overall length when compared to a weld neck flange and reducer fitting configuration. Blind flange. The blind flange function similar to that of a plug or cap. It is used to terminate the end of a piping system. The blind flange is basically a flange that does not have a hub or a board center. Blind flange have the face thickness of a flange, a matching face type and similar bolting pattern. Blind flange can also be used to seal a nozzle opening on a pressure vessel. Orifice flange. The function of the orifice flange is to measure the rate of the flow of the commodity through the piping system. Orifice flange are easily to recognize because they have a hole drilled through the face of the flange perpendicular to the pipe. They also have an additional set of bolts called jack screw. These screws are used to help separate the flange so inspection or replacement of the orifice plate can be performed. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.